Imagine a world where you could send money to anyone, anywhere instantly without needing a bank. No more waiting for days for transactions to clear, no more hefty fees and no more middlemen. This is the promise of cryptocurrency, a revolutionary technology transforming how we think about and use money. It's not just a new way to pay, it's a new way to think about value and trust. This essay is your guide to understanding this exciting new world. We'll break down the basics and help you grasp the core concepts. We'll demystify cryptocurrency, explore how it works, and provide a roadmap for getting started. From Bitcoin to Ethereum and beyond, we'll cover the essentials. Let's dive in. Cryptocurrency might seem complex at first, but it's built upon some simple ideas. Understanding these ideas will make the whole concept much clearer. By the end of this essay, you'll have the knowledge to confidently navigate the world of digital currencies. You'll be able to make informed decisions and perhaps even start investing. Let's begin by understanding what cryptocurrency is and how it's changing the financial landscape. From decentralized finance to smart contracts, the possibilities are endless. Cryptocurrency is like digital cash for the internet age. It's a form of money that exists purely online, secured by cryptography, making it nearly impossible to counterfeit. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin operate on decentralized networks called blockchains. Think of blockchain as a public ledger, recording every transaction transparently and securely. This decentralized nature means no single entity controls cryptocurrency. Transactions occur directly between users, eliminating the need for intermediaries like banks. This peer-to-peer system fosters financial freedom, transparency, and global accessibility. Imagine a vast network of computers constantly verifying and recording transactions. That's the blockchain in action. When you send cryptocurrency, the transaction is broadcast to this network. Specialized computers called miners then compete to solve complex mathematical problems to add your transaction to a block on the blockchain. This process, known as mining, ensures the security and integrity of the network. Once your transaction is added to a block and linked to the blockchain, it becomes a permanent part of the public record. This makes cryptocurrency transactions highly secure and resistant to fraud. Section 4, your first steps into crypto, a practical guide. This section will walk you through the essential steps to get started in the world of cryptocurrency. Ready to dip your toes into the crypto waters? It's an exciting journey, but it's important to proceed with caution and knowledge. The first step is to create a digital wallet, your gateway to the crypto world. This wallet will store your digital assets securely. Wallets come in various forms, from software wallets on your phone to hardware wallets for enhanced security. Each type has its own advantages and disadvantages. Once you have a wallet, you can buy cryptocurrency through exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. These platforms are user-friendly and widely trusted. These platforms act as marketplaces where you can buy and sell crypto using traditional currency. They offer various tools to help you make informed decisions. Remember, it's wise to start small, especially as a beginner. This approach helps you learn without risking too much. Only invest what you can afford to lose. The crypto market can be volatile, so it's crucial to be prepared for ups and downs. Section 5, Navigating the Crypto Waters, Essential Tips for Beginners. The world of cryptocurrency is dynamic and ever-evolving, with new developments happening almost daily. As a beginner, it's crucial to stay informed, be cautious, and prioritize security. Regularly read up on the latest news and updates in the crypto space. Always research thoroughly before investing in any cryptocurrency. Look into the market trends and historical data. Understand the project's goals, technology, and team. This will help you make informed decisions. Be wary of scams and promises of quick riches. Many fraudulent schemes prey on beginners. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always double-check sources and claims. Secure your digital assets by choosing strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your wallet software up to date. Regularly update your security measures. The cryptocurrency world is full of opportunities, but it's essential to navigate it with knowledge and prudence. Stay educated and vigilant to make the most of your crypto journey.